Hey everybody, I wanted to take a minute and wish you a very happy new year. I hope 2025 finds you happy, healthy, and successful in whatever it is that you do. And if it happens to be astrophotography, I hope that we can do that together throughout this year. In 2024, I was really happy with the way things turned out. I had a good year. There was a lot of problems. There was a lot of successes. I had a lot of adventures. I got to travel to a Bortle 1 dark sky in New Mexico. It was fantastic. I don't have plans yet for 2025, but I'm trying to figure out what I want to do and where I want to go and who I'm going to go hang out with. So we'll find out and figure out what that's going to be in the next couple months when I'm making plans. Next up, I have a 2024 astrophotography retrospective. I took all of my images and I put them together and I watched it several times. I felt pretty good about it. The images that are coming up next were my work for 2024. And, you know, as good as I felt about them, I know there's always room for improvement. And that's what I'm looking for into 2025 is to grow in this hobby, to become better at processing, better at capturing images, better with my equipment. I mean, there's all types of things. And that's what's the beautiful thing about this hobby. Anyway, stick around, check out my retrospective, and have a very happy new year. My name is Doug, and this is Astro AF.